Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix currency display issues in the ASOS app. If this tutorial helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So if you're seeing prices in the wrong currency on the ASOS app, here's how you can address it. First, open the ASOS app on your Android device. Tap the menu icon in the top left corner to open the side menu. Scroll down and select Settings. In the Settings menu, you will find option for Country and Currency. Tap on Country to choose the country you're shopping from. After selecting your country, tap on Currency to choose your preferred currency. Make sure to select the currency that matches your payment method to avoid any discrepancies. For my country, only US dollars is supported, so I have to select it. Once you have selected the correct country and currency, the app should display prices accordingly. If the issue persists, try closing and reopening the app to ensure the changes take effect. If you're still experiencing problems, consider clearing the app's cache. Go to your device's settings, navigate to apps or applications, find the ASOS app and select storage. From there, tap on clear cache. After that, open the ASOS app and the changes should have taken effect by now. This is for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, then consider subscribing and liking the video.